Seeing planters racing across fields in Louisiana has been a common sight recently. A wet early May delayed cotton planting for many farmers, and now they are chasing the last bit of moisture in their fields as the weather has changed significantly.
Because it's so hot and the wind's blowing really good, that it's causing the fields to dry out really fast. So there's a little urgency to trying to get it planted right now.
Miller is an extension agent in Concordia and Catahoula parishes. In Catahoula, cotton is one of the larger row crops.
We have a lot of cotton planted here because of a lot of our acres are non-irrigated, and cotton typically is a more drought-tolerant crop as opposed to like corn or soybeans.
In the past 25 years, Louisiana cotton acres have decreased nearly 70%, but this year there seemed to be an interest in farmers planting more cotton. The rough start in May and stagnant prices for cotton may have tamped down some of that interest.
The price of cotton is still the same as it was in 1990. So, people are getting turned off by it, and the beans are a lot easier to plant now and farm.
Brandon is increasing his acres this year because he and his wife took over a local gin, and he wants that operation to succeed.
We're really not keeping any profits in the gin anymore to entice more cotton, to keep the gin going and the people that work there employed. That's the most important thing to me.
Cotton is an expensive crop to grow and harvest. New baleage pickers can cost nearly $1 million. With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.